Hello! Today we are reviewing the flagship from Xiaomi, Redmi K60 Ultra. This is a smartphone that combines powerful specifications, stylish design, and affordable price. Let's figure out what's so good about it. The first thing that catches your eye is the design. Redmi K60 Ultra has a glass body with a metal frame, which gives it a premium look. The 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a refresh rate of 144 Hz makes the picture bright and smooth. The 2K resolution provides high definition, and HDR10+ support will give you an incredible viewing experience. Under the hood of the Redmi K60 Ultra is a powerful MediaTek Dimensity 9200+ processor, which easily handles any task, from games to multimedia. Depending on the version, the smartphone is equipped with 8, 12, or 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of built-in memory. You will be able to launch any applications without the slightest delay. The 200MP main camera is a real find for mobile photography enthusiasts. The shots are detailed and rich. There is also a 12MP ultra-wide camera and a 5MP telephoto lens. The 32MP front camera is perfect for selfies and video calls. The 5500 mAh battery provides a long battery life. And if you need to quickly charge, 120-watt fast charging is supported, which will fully charge the device in just 20 minutes. Redmi K60 Ultra is a real flagship at an affordable price. It is suitable for both gamers and those who value high-quality photography and video. If you are looking for a powerful smartphone with an excellent screen and camera, then the K60 Ultra is your choice.